Hi guys, I'm back again to help you with your fraction. Okay, last time I explained to you about how to add simple fraction of the same denominators. Okay, 1/4 plus 1/4. Because the denominators are the same, we can go straight away to add them. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2/4. Okay, 2/4. We can simplify this. We take 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 with 2 is 2. So 1/2. Or we say half. Okay. Now I'm going to help you with fractions of different denominators. Okay, fractions with different denominators. Now, I give you some examples here. Two sixths plus 6/8, okay, or 2/6 plus 6/8. Now, look at these fractions, the simple fractions. Denominators are not the same. So we need to make denominators the same first before we add them. So how we work this out? Okay. All right. To make denominators the same, we take this 6 and 8, denominator 6 and 8. We multiply them, 6 times 8, we got 48. 48. Okay. Now, then what's next? We take 8 and 2. Okay. 8 times 2, we got 16. Okay. 8 times 2 is 16. And we put the add sign here, plus. So 16/48 plus. Because 48 is the result of 6 times 8, so we can use for both. 48, okay? 6 times 8, 8 times 6, 48, 48. Now, next is 6 times 6, okay? 6 times 6, 36. All right? 6 times 6 is 36. All right, now you see the denominators are now the same. So you can add them straight away. So 16 plus 36. We got 52. Okay? 52/48. 52/48. Now, our numerator is bigger than our denominator. So we can still simplify this. Okay? So how to simplify this? 52 divided by 48. Will you use calculator? No. I'm going to show you how to work this out manually. Okay? So look here. 52. And we put our 48 here. Alright? Now, you pick up a number. When you multiply with this 48 equals 52 or near, okay, close to 52, okay, not beyond, okay, under is okay or the same. So we take, if we take 2, it's far bigger. So we take 1. 1 times 48 is 48. Okay, so we put this 48 right under 52. Now, what's next? We subtract this. I know some of grade 3 and 4 students have problem with this. Okay, have problem with fractions, have problem with this division of this kind of numbers. So look here, you will understand it. Now, 52 minus 48. Okay, 52 minus 48. We have 4. Okay, 4. Now, the opposite way of this is 4 plus 48 is 52. Okay, 4 plus 48 is 52, or 52 minus 48 is 4. All right, so we write down here. Now, we cannot simplify this anymore. Okay, we cannot go any further. So we take it and we put up here 48. So the answer is 1/4/48. 1/4/48. That's the final result. So you put it here. Okay, so 52 divided by 48, or 52/48, you have 1/4/48. Simple, right? Simple. Okay, you see how you work that out like this. Okay, now I'm going to give you another example. So we put number 2 here. So 2/5 plus 3/6. 2/5 plus 3/6. Okay. Denominators of this fraction also are not the same. Here we have 5, and this one we have 6. Now, to add these simple fractions, we need to make denominators the same first. Okay, we use the same way, exactly the same way. All right. So to make this the same, we take 5 and 6, we multiply them. So 5 multiply 6 by 6, we have 30. All right, 30. Now what's next? We take this 6 and 2, we multiply, cross over this. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12. And what's next? 5 times 3. So we put this plus here, this one here, we put here. 5 times 3 is 15/30. Now because 30 is the result of 5 times 6, so we can use for both this one and here this one. All right. Okay. Now we see here the denominators are now the same. Okay, denominators are now the same. So you can go straight away to add this. So we have 12 here. Okay, you add the nominators. Okay, so nominators 12 plus nominators 15. Okay, you have a simple way to do this. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you write it there. And then you have 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. All right. Then we use these denominators 30. So 27/30. 27/30. Now, can we simplify this? Yeah, even though the numerator is smaller than denominator, we can work this out. If we take 3 to simplify this, then here 27, we have 9 here. Okay, and here we have 10. We pick up a number that we can use for both numerator and denominator. Okay, we can use for both numerator, denominator. If we take 3, then 9 times 3 is 27. 10 times 3 is 30. So you simplify it, you get 9/10 here. Okay, so you can always simplify fractions like this. Yeah, so this here you think of a number. Okay, think of a number. Pick up a number with which you can divide this 27 and also 30. So 27 divided by 3, you have 9. You put here as numerator, okay, numerator. And you have denominator 30 divided by 3 is 10, or 10 times 3 is 30. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so division is the opposite of multiplication. We will see this. Yeah. Okay, I give you another example. Okay, here is number 3. Okay, another example. 2 7 plus 4 fifths. Okay, 2 7 plus 4 fifths. Now, the same. Okay, denominators are different, so we cannot add them straight away. We need to make denominators the same first. All right. So now, we take this 7, we multiply with 5. So 7 times 5, you get 35. All right. You get 35. Now, what's next? We take this 5 and 2. So 5 times 2, you have 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Then this plus, we put here. Okay. And what's next? We take 7 and 4. Okay. 7 times 4 is 28. 28. Okay. 28. Now, this 35, okay, denominator 35 is the result of the multiplication of 7 and 5. We multiply 7 and 5, we get 35. So we can use for both sides. This one here and also this one. All right. So now we see here our denominators are the same. So we can go straight away. We can add them straight away. So look here, this 10 and this is 28. So we use the same way. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay? I should write a little bigger so you can see it clearly. Okay? 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. And this 0 and 8, so 8 here. Okay? Over 35. So 38 over 35. Can we simplify this? Yes. We use the same way, okay? I'm going to show you how to do it. So 38 here, all right? You use this sign here. You put your 35 here. All right, so this 35. Your denominator you put here, and your numerator you put here. Okay, then you think of a number, okay? Think of a number with which you multiply with this 35, you get exactly 38 or under 38. No more than 38. No more, you must go lower, okay? Find another number lower than that. So if we take 2, then 35 times 2 will be 70. It's far away. So we take 1, okay? 1 times 35 is 35. You write this 35 exactly under your 38, okay? So you write here. And what's next? Next thing is you need to subtract this, okay? You need to subtract this. So this 8 minus 5 is 8 minus 5? 3, okay? You have 3 here, and 3 and 3, 0, so finish. So we have 3. So 38 minus 35 is 3. Now, this one we cannot simplify anymore with 35, cannot divide with 35 anymore. So we take it, 1, I should erase this. 1, 3 over 35, okay? 1, 3 over 35. So, your answer here is 1, 3 over 35. That's your final answer, okay? So 38 divided by 35, or 38 over 35, equals 1, 3 over 35. Okay, that's your answer. So I've shown you, okay, simple way how to find this, how to solve this fraction, okay, to add these simple fractions. So first of all, you have to make the denominators the same, okay? When you make denominators the same, you take these two denominators and you multiply them, okay? You multiply them and you will get new denominators. Okay, you use these new denominators to work out this addition of the simple fraction. It's all the same. Use the same way for all the questions. Okay, so this one also same. You have 5 here and you have 6 here. Okay, different denominators. Here you have 7, here you have 5. Different denominators. So you multiply them in order to get new denominator. Now, because this new denominator is the result of multiplication of these two denominators before, so you can use them for all. Okay? So for this one we use 35, this one also we use 35. So 10 over 35 plus 28 over 35, you got this 10 plus 28 is 38 over 35. Now I've shown you 38 divided by 35, you get 1/3 over 35. So that's your final answer. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Okay, I appreciate if you subscribe and you put the agree button. Thank you very much.